Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the active region on Xiaomi phones. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by opening up the Settings app. In Settings, scroll down and select Additional Settings. Now select Region. Choose your new region here. Tap a country to select it. The region on your Xiaomi phone has now been changed. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Xiaomi and MIUI tips and tricks.